Okay, next one up, Yamaha MT07 Tracer. This has got 6,700 miles. It is a 19 plate. Kaio's just got this in next door to put it up for sale, so we're going to do our little bit on it. He did say, oh, it only needs the exhaust cleaning, but looking over it needs quite a few little bits and pieces touching up. This right here is why it's so important to get your bike properly protected. All these little bits, we always brush a little extra XCP on it. We're going to get that exhaust all minted up. That is in desperate need of a bit of a shine. Same with the coolant pipes. All these discs, we get all minted up. Same with these wheels. Once it is clean, we will miss some XCP corrosion protection on it because it is looking dry in places. Little brackets, nuts, bolts. See all that corrosion there? I could have prevented all that. This is why it's so important to keep your bike properly protected. Look at that banjo bolt. Gosh. Anyways, we're going to get this all minted up. We're going to do one of our full Monty valets on it. We're going to paint quite a few bits and pieces. Get it looking like it should. Like I said, it is low mileage, only 6,700 miles. But looking a little sad in places. So time to work our magic. Get it looking like it should. Get some XCP misted on it and get it in the showroom. Give me a couple of hours. There you go, 2 hours and 10 minutes on the dot. This Yamaha MT07 Tracer has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, which includes a good coating of the XCP corrosion protection. As you saw previously, this did have quite a few rusty nuts and bolts. Now it's all been sorted and a nice coating of XCP, so we'll prevent any further rust and stop the rust from spreading. All the exhaust has been mirror polished up like new. Look at that, absolutely gleaming. Every single nut, bolt, caliper, wheels, everything has been meticulously clean. Nice little brushing of XCP afterwards. All your back caliper, all your back disc, all your rusty nuts and bolts, all been sorted out. All that old chain lube has been thoroughly degreased, blow dried, re-lubed back up. All your exhaust box underneath has been mirror polished, absolutely gleaming. I did a single stage polish on the bodywork. I removed the windscreen, gave that a polish inside and out. 2 hours, 10 minutes. Get yours booked in now. We are an MT specialist. I have probably done a good couple of hundred of these over the years, so I know what needs doing. Time to get it done, get it protected for the months ahead. Give us a buzz. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.